My Za'atar loving friends, if I had a cafe, I would make Za'atar Bagels every day. Very easy. You're gonna add warm water and whole milk. And then you're gonna add your sugar so you can feed your yeast. And once the yeast is foamy, add olive oil for softness. Now you're gonna add your dry ingredients slowly, and they are flour, baking soda, and salt. Now I always leave the dough sticky while kneading it and add more flour when I'm shaping dough. If you have trouble with making dough, I suggest you try this method. A tip I got from my mom is to drizzle olive oil on dough, and then you cover it like a baby and let it rest for an hour. And this is my favorite part, where I get to play with it. I'm going to divide the dough into 4 bowls. And then I'm going to make a hole in the middle and stretch it out gently to form kind of like a bagel shape. But you can also skip this step if you want a bun-shaped bagel. And then I prepare my pomegranate water, which is pomegranate molasses and hot water, and I mix it. In another dish, I put my favorite za'atar mix. This za'atar mix I have here is from our neighbor in Lebanon, and she prepares it at home the traditional way. And then you put your za'atar bagels on a baking sheet, and then I bake it at 425 Fahrenheit. And then you're not only going to enjoy the taste of the za'atar bagel, but also the smell at your house. I enjoyed this with lemon, olive oil, and a plate of vegetable. I hope you give this recipe a try. Full recipes on the blog, and sahtan.